Hi everyone, this is Seki. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can install a theme and install some plugin. We are going to check what is a theme and what are the plugin, because what we're going to do here, we are going to make your blog we are going to make your blog look unique, like you're going to make your own design. So the themes are going to help us with that. So let's get started. No? So the first thing that you need to do is you're going to log in on your hosting. And the reason we are going to log in, because we want to find the login credential. Let me do this. So what you're going to do, we are going here with the application. We are going to click our application, which is this one. So what you see here, this one, if you click here with the admin panel, if you click this one, this link, it will take you to the admin panel of your blog, no? This one. So what you can do here, where you say username, you can just click on the username and you are going to copy it here or on the username. And where you say password, you are going to click copy, you say here copy, and you are going to paste it here on where it says password. Of course, I'm going to change this, and then you're just going to click log on and log in. It will take you inside your blog. So this is how your blog will look for the first time, not when you log in for the first time. So you see, what you're going to do, we are going to clean this up and we are going to make it look a little bit better. If you go to your website, see, you can see the sample page, you can see this. And so what you're going to do, we are going to change all this. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click to install a new theme. When you install WordPress, it will come with a default theme. A theme, it is just like the design your website will have. So in this case, we have paid and free themes. Now, for if you are starting out, this is your first blog, I would recommend to start with the free themes. No, there are a lot of good themes that you can get for free, but when you start making money, then you can upgrade. You can get premium themes that they are more flexible, they are easier to use, and so on. No? So for this blog, I'm going with a free theme. So in order to click to find a theme, what you're going to do, you are going here where it says appearance, and you're going to click on themes, and it will take you to this page. These are the default themes, no, that come with the installation. So you click add new. We are going to change that. You are going to find very, very good themes here, no. But for me, I think for now, at this moment of making this video, Neve is one of the best themes, free themes, that the one I use. Also, you can use Generate Press. It is very good. I think we have, they're very good themes, no? And they're free. You can pick any one, any theme you think that is what you want to do. No, like you see, everything will come with a preview. You can just click here on a preview and you can see if you like it, then you can just click install. And let me go back. I'm going to cancel this. So you can go through these themes and pick the one attracts you the most. No? For me, I'm going to install Neve. I think it should be the first here. And another thing that you can do to find your theme very quick, for example, you can click popular. This is the themes that people are installing. No, you can click latest, you can click favorite. So what I'm going to do, also Astra is a very good theme also. You can install Astra. But for me, I think I like the best Neve. So I'm just going to preview. See? And I'm going to click install. Come on now. And I'm going to click activate. So now we are going to activate. If you open this blog for now, you'll see that it changed, you know, it look a little bit better, but I still do not like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to I'm going to change a little bit more. So what we're going to do here, we come here, we say themes, and come Neve appearance. Then come where Neve options. You're going to click here, and okay, Neve, they give you what they call starter sites. No, these are sites that are pre-built, so you can just pick one and make it yours. But the issue here is that most of these are paid, so you need to have Neve Pro. That's the paid version. So let's go. Let's explore some sites. And they want us to install some plugin. We are just going to install this very quick. It will activate. So what you see here, everything that say pro, it means you have to pay. It is not that much, but you have to pay. So for me, what I do, I just go in this Gutenberg, that is free. So you can just come here and pick one of pre-built website. For example, if you are in photograph, you can click this one. If you have a traveling agent, you can click this one. Freelancer, you can click this. So just pick anything that you think it will work for your site. No, just make sure it is free, because if it is premium, you need to pay. You need to have the premium version of the theme. So for me, since I like simple things, I'm just going to click this one, this one, the minimal blog. See, I like clean. You know, I'm going to delete everything this one, but just let us let's try with this one. Yeah. So I'm just going to click here with import. I'm just going to import everything for now. I'm going to import everything. Then I'm going to delete them. But for now, I'm just going to import everything. This is helping me with the settings. No? So let's see. So see, now this is our blog. No, this if you want to, you can just go and edit this, and it should be good to go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set up this. So let's see. I'm going here to appearance. I'm going to customize. So I'm going to customize my theme. Okay, let it load. Okay, so now it is loaded. So what we're going to do here, first we are going to change. This is the home page, no? We are going to change this, but this is the home page. So what we're going to do here, uh, we are going to first we are going to the layout. So the layout, this container, it just means the space, this one, which the space that the theme, your blog is going to take. No, most of the time I don't change this. The default, I leave the default. Everything I leave as it is. In this container, I leave everything as it is. And sidebar, this is, for example, if you come, let me click on news. Let's see. So you can decide if you want to have a sidebar or not. Sidebar is a space that will come here, this one. You can decide if you want this one or not. But this for the sidebar, this is for the home page, So what you can do, I'm going to, if you want the right sidebar, you can click right. If you want left, you can click left. If you want full, you can click full. If you want, like, this is the archive. So most of the time I just leave it in full. And a single post, the same. This is a single post. So in a single post, you can pick. If you want, for example, this one is a single post. So what you can do, I can click. This is a single post. Now it is the right, no? I can click right, I can click left. This one should move, should come here to the left side. See? Or I can click full width. For this blog, I think I'm going to leave it full width. I just am not going to put anything in the sidebar. But for example, if you want to promote affiliate product, you can add banners here. We are going to see how we can do. So you can just have a sidebar, and also the sidebar, you can make this percentage here is how much do you want to be the content and how much percentage you want to be the sidebar. For example, I can have, let's say if I want 60, this will change. So this one, this will become bigger. Let's say if I say 60, that's 50-50. See, it will become 50-50, and I can put 20. So the sidebar become bigger. I can put 80. The sidebar will become smaller. So you can change this, and depending on what do you want. So for me, for now, I'm just going to put full width. No? So no sidebars. And this is the other type of the page. Everything I'm going to put full width for now. Okay, so then that is it for this one. I'm going back and blog archive. Blog archive. This one is the blog. No, for example, here we say news. We are going to change it. So this one, what format do you want? You can have grid. This one is called grid. You can have covers. You just see the covers like this. See, when you change it, change. Or you can have a list. So depending on what you want, you can have any of this. For me, I always like a list. But if you want, you can click alternating layout. It means it will be changing. No, it will be this, then it will be this, then it will be. I like to be constant, and so I'm just going to put a list. That is what I'm going to do. Here, this is meta. So this one. For example, if you don't want, you can just click this one, and it will go. For example, this is a date. If you don't want here to have a date, you can just click this. You can remove like this, and it should go away. Okay. If you don't want comment, you can remove comment. If you don't want other, I always want other. No? So I'm just going by section. So if you don't want this, you can just, and this will go away. Let me put this. I don't. If you want category, you can just add it there. It will say category blog. I'm going to remove this one also. So I'm not going to put a date. I'm just going to have that one. Okay. And I think that will be it. Just going back, we're going for the single post. Okay, here also on the single post, what you're going to do? The reason I moved the site with everything is that it will help you on the setup. Now, even this content, we are going to delete everything, but it will give you the visual. You'll be able to see how your site will be. So for me, I don't like this. I think it is bad. I'm just going to put normal here. See, just like normal people. So this is what you're going to do. Also, you can change the order. For example, do you want first title, the thumbnail, content, tags, comment? You can have everything. Also, the space between element, you can have it, you know. So you can change this as you wish. And you can change the text color. For example, this is black. You can just click here and you can change, you can pick any color you want. I always leave it black because I like this white and this white background and black colors. I think that works better for me, you know? Okay. And so, okay. So here we are going back. We are going, I think, your home page. Okay, home page. If you are just going to write a blog post, my recommendation would be to create, to make what we call your latest post. No, like when you publish a new blog, it will come first. That is one of way to organize your blog. So the new post will come at the top, then the other ones will come at the bottom, and they'll be moving. You add another one, it will come the top, the next one will move down. So it will be moving that way. But if, for example, you want to optimize the homepage, maybe the homepage to to make it clean and everything, you can use a static. Let me show you example. For example, this one, I think this one is static homepage. No, this is what we mean static. So this page does not change. It will always be there. If you add new articles, they will go somewhere else. For example, in this case, they'll go where you say blog. No, but for example, if you have, let me check this one. This one is a different style. No, see, this is the home page, but the home page, what we have is we have as the last article. See, the last one, it is here. This 21. So when you are going down, the date is going backward. So that's what I mean. So you can pick any of the style. For me, I think this style is better because it optimizes your home page. Because your home page is your most visited site, the page on your blog. Most people, they'll go to the home page. So you can decide where do you want them to go. For example, this one, if they click here, they'll go somewhere. This one does not work, but if you can take them anywhere you want, so you can redirect them because always they'll come to the homepage. But if you use this style, yes, your new articles will be up top and people will get the chance to read, but it will be changing. So it depends on the style. So for me, sometimes I use this style, sometimes I use this style. It does not matter. Just pick one that you think is the best. Or you can test and then you can change, test and change. So that is it. So this is, for me, this is how we change how we configure everything. Another thing very important what you can do here on the setup, let me check. See here, it's a read more. But if you check this and this read more, they look the same. The links, we need to make them a little bit different. So what you're going to do, we are going to come down here. We say additional CSS. I'm sure most of you guys here not programmers. So we're just going to add a small, very small code. We are going to add this code. I'm going to include it in the comment section. All right. So you're just going to add, right click and paste. And we are, see, now all the links, they have different color. How do you determine this color? This is called hex code, hex, H-E-X code. So what you're going to do, this part with the A, this bracket, and the closing bracket, that is all should be there. Color and those 2 points, they all should be there. And this pointy and comma, they should be all there. This number, this is a hexadecimal number that represents the color. For example, what you're going to do, you can just come here. You can say hex color. See? So what you're going to do, what color do you want your link to be? So you can just come here, you can pick. For example, if I want them to be, I'm not very good with colors. No? Let's say I want them to be this color. I'm just going to copy this one. I'm going to change this. So let me change. See, they change. If I want them to be this color, I'm just going to copy this one. I'm going to paste them here. They change. So depending on what color do you want your link to be, you can change this. Why I recommend to change the color of your link? The issue here is that when people they are reading, if everything is black or everything has the same color, they won't be able to differentiate between the links and the text. So what you need to do, you need your link to stand out, to be a little bit different, so that people they can know that it is a link, and if they click it, maybe with that link, that it will take them to affiliate product, and they can buy something. You can make a sale. So that's what I mean. I think I use this the same here. I think. So if you come here, let's say you read, you see, you read this. For example, this one say Aweber. See, if you click this one, it will take you to Aweber. This is sekhudson.aweber.com. And if you join Aweber, I might get paid a small amount of commission. That's how this works. No? So you need to make your link stand out. You don't have to put the same color as I did. If you want to, you can. But here the idea is you have some color. No? For me, in all my site, I use this color. So let me go and put it back. I'm going to put it back here and I'm going to publish. And that should be it. So let us go back. And now we just set up our theme. What you're going to do, let's see. I didn't change that much, but you see the change when we start moving things around. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to clean it. I'm going to delete everything. So I'm just going here. I'll go where you say post because it came with a post that are not ours. So I'm just going to select everything and move to trash, apply. I'm just going to delete everything. I'm going to trash, select everything, delete permanently. I'm going to delete them. Then I'll go to page or pages. I'm just going to click here, move to trash, apply. I'm going to trash the same. Soon we are going to add our own page. No? So let us delete everything. We are going to delete this. And another thing that you need to do for now, you can come here where say settings, and we are going to click where say permalinks. We are going to check, make sure that your permalink says sample post, not numbers, not date, not. So just make sure that you select where say post name and scroll down, click save change. Another setting that we need to do for now, you can come here, we say media. What you're going to do, see this one, the idea of WordPress is that they will try to fit every image you're going to post in a blog. They'll try to fit either 150 to 150 or 300 to 300 or 1024 to 1024. So you don't want to do that. You want your image to be as you design. So what you're going to do, we are going to remove this one and we are going to put a 0. We're going to move this one and we're going to put a 0. You're going to move this one and you're going to put a 0. To move this one and we're going to put a 0. We're going to remove this one and we're going to put a 0. We're going to remove this one and we're going to put a 0. And I'll leave this checked up. I'll uncheck this one and I'm going to click save. This will make your image look better. So that is it for this video. That is how you install the WordPress theme and you make the initial setup. Let us go and see our website for the last time. See, everything is clean. Now I also will remove this one, but that will be in the next video. But for now, that is it. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.